Hey everybody, my name's Jess and I'm from ColDesi, and today I'll be teaching you 5 different ways to make custom t-shirts at home. Let's get started. Alright, so here's an example of a t-shirt we made using our Digital HeatFX system. You can use dark shirts or white shirts, or you can even print on hard surfaces just like these mugs here. You simply choose your graphic, then you print it on a white toner transfer paper just like this, press it to your t-shirt, and you're done. Here's 3 different reasons why you'll love the Digital HeatFX systems. 1 is its versatility. 2, it's small and compact enough to fit in your home with virtually no maintenance. And 3, you can print full color graphics from logos to portraits. Another cool way to create custom t-shirts at home is using the heat transfer vinyl method. For this method, you'll need a cutter, like the GraphTech cutting plotter, and a heat press. Here are 2 great examples of some shirts that we made using this method. Here's a couple reasons why you'll love using the heat transfer method when you're making your t-shirts at home. 1, it's quick and easy to use. 2, it's very affordable to get started. Another method you probably didn't think about to customize things at home is embroidery. You'll love embroidery because the method is very well known, and embroidered products such as monograms are huge in the market. Next, we have direct-to-garment printing using our DTG G4. This method uses liquid ink and prints directly onto your t-shirt. You'll love DTG because it quickly prints vibrant colors and your finished product is super soft. And lastly, another great method to customize your shirts is sublimation. Sublimation works on light-colored polyester garments and prints t-shirts just like these. You'll love sublimation because it's a low cost to get started and it's easy to use just like a desktop printer. Now you know a couple of ways to create t-shirts at home. If you want to learn more, visit ColDesi.com and live chat with one of our pros.